If you've ever found a great font in an image and wanted to use it in your own design, Photoshop makes that a lot easier than you might think. In this video, I'm going to show you how to match fonts in Photoshop step by step, so you can quickly identify typefaces, compare similar options, and choose the closest match with confidence. This is super useful for design work, mock-ups, branding, restoring old artwork, or any time you need to recreate text that you can only see inside an image. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the image that contains the font you want to identify. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting the image from your computer. Once the image is loaded in Photoshop, take a moment to zoom in so you can clearly see the text you want to match. The more readable the letters are, the better Photoshop will be able to analyze them. Next, go over to your left toolbar and grab the rectangular Marquee tool. If you don't see it right away, it may be hiding under the selection tools, so click and hold to find it. The keyboard shortcut is M, which is a nice quick way to access it. Now, click and drag a tight box around the specific text you want to match. Try to make the selection as clean and precise as possible, because Photoshop uses that selected area to identify the font. Avoid including extra background, shadows, or nearby objects if you can help it. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Type, then choose Match Font. This is the feature that tells Photoshop to analyze the selected letters and compare them against available fonts. After a few seconds, Photoshop will open a dialog box with a list of matching fonts. At this point, you'll usually see two kinds of results. First, there are local fonts, which are fonts already installed on your computer. These are typically marked with a standard checkmark or shown as ready to use right away. Then there are Adobe Fonts, which are fonts you can download for free through your Creative Cloud subscription. These usually display a cloud icon with a down arrow next to them. If you see a font you like in the Adobe Font section, click that icon to instantly activate and install it. That means you can start using it right away without manually searching the web or downloading font files from random sites. Now take a careful look through the font list and compare the results to your image. Sometimes Photoshop will give you an exact match, and other times it will give you several close alternatives. If the exact font isn't available, choose the one that looks closest in shape, spacing, weight, and style. Pay attention to details like rounded corners, serif shape, letter width, and the overall thickness of the characters. These little details can make a huge difference in making your design look authentic. Once you've found the best match, click OK to confirm your choice. From there, you can begin using that font in your own project and build out your design with a much more accurate look. If you want to go a step further, you can also test a few similar fonts side by side to see which one matches the image most naturally. That extra comparison can help when you're working with custom lettering or fonts that have been slightly altered. And that's really all there is to it. By using the Match Font feature in Photoshop, you can quickly identify and recreate text styles without guessing or wasting time searching manually. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of work in the long run. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.